This is beautiful. I think they're starlings. This is in Israel and the Sea of Galilee. It's like riding on the ceiling, on the sky. Wow. You can hear the birds singing. It's amazing. A whole bunch of them went into the tree. These guys are still flying. Simply amazing. And a whole bunch of them is going to break off and just dive into the trees. Get ready for bed. I think these are starlings, and they're getting ready for bed at night at the Sea of Galilee in Israel. And every now and then, like a group of like 1,000 pulls out and just dives into the trees to roost. And then they join together. There you go, they're roosting now. And every time they go around, every few minutes, another bunch goes into roost. Maybe 1,000 birds. And those guys probably like get into place. And then the other ones do the same thing. There you go.
I've been picked on separate.
Here's where all these starlings are sleeping tonight. They're on this tree. And then there's one more tree right over here. And just listen to the sound.
All that's left is this little group. Oh, everybody's in.
That was it.
That's everybody.
Hundreds of thousands of birds, and they're all in place.